Siren is an innovative marine technology company. We've gone from a couple of guys building prototypes and a proof of concept to a company with now 20 full-time employees and about another 23 contractors and subcontractors and engineers. One of the challenges we went through is we were initially doing fulfillment from California, which is where we were initially having some circuit boards and other components made. But the ability to mitigate problems or to solve an issue as it comes up it's much more challenging if you're dealing 3 time zones away and you're also a 6-hour plane ride. We began to look for local resources where we could find the right fit. VR checked all of those boxes.
VR Industries is an electronic contract manufacturer. We specialize in working with our clients to solve their challenges, come up with creative solutions in the electronic and mechanical assembly world. Working with Siren Marine has been a great match of needs and skills with their advanced technology and our ability to support their advanced technology requirements. It's great to see 2 companies in Rhode Island work together and help support one another.
As a business, we're always looking to keep things as cost-effective, efficient as possible, and be poised to scale. So having VR Industries in Rhode Island was a great boon to the company.
Because we do have a dynamic floor space, if the demand for the product grows, we could very easily add on another technician, add on another work cell. VR is capable of being very flexible to meet the customer's demands.
As their business grows, we can help them to grow it, and that in turn helps our business grow. Very exciting. The startups in general are very exciting.
One of the things that we're very proud of is the ability not only to design on 3rd Street in Newport, Rhode Island, but to partner with companies like VR, where we can take advantage of first-class tools and machines to both produce our circuit boards and build our products locally right here in Rhode Island. That benefit to any CEO or company founder-owner is really priceless.